Hi guys, this is Victor. It's a beautiful day today. So what I want to do today, I want to show you how I'm going to be preparing my lines for ongoing summer 2020. So what I have 21-inch wheels for Moto S, and they're silver. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and paint them black. I'll show you how I'm doing it. These ones are the 21-inch wheels, 245, 35, 21, and then 265, 35, 21. That are rear and front, 4 of those. I'm going to be painting them black, and before that I want to fix some curb brush. So I've got here something, so I already started sanding. So I started with 80, then I'm switching to 220, and then the final one I'm going to remove the sheen from the entire wheel with the 320. This is the finest sandpaper I have right now. All I'm using is basically, this is my 80 right here. Then right here, this guy, my leftovers, my old pieces from my work I've done in my house previously. This is 220, and then I'm using again old piece, and this one is 320 to sand over the sheen. That is how I'm gonna proceed. Then I'm gonna wash the wheel with the alcohol or something cleaner, and then I'll paint it with this baby DupliColor. That was the only one I was able to find right now with the all coronavirus going on. Everything is closed basically, but I was able to find this guy. This is black. The exact color is performance black, I think. Yeah, high performance wheel coating. That's what it is. So a few coats of these, keep you posted how I'm doing it. I mean, I have 4 wheels, and probably it's gonna take me the full day, but well, at least I'm gonna keep myself busy nowadays in regards the center cup. So this is the original. I did purchase, I was able to get the black ones with the red tassel print inside. They're fit perfectly inside, so I'm going to be using different set, and these ones I don't think I'm going to be painting. And then once it's done, this set is gonna go here. Those ones are 19 inches standard with the winter tire, and we'll replace that for the cooler one, 21s. So let's get going, let's get started. I gotta remove all these. These scarves are really tiny now. If I paint it now on black, probably won't be noticeable, and I have a few more like that. I can keep grinding it deeper, but I don't think it's worth it, because those ones are really tiny. They're like really small. I can barely feel them with my fingernail, but grinding the wheel deeper, I don't think it's gonna make any better. I mean, it would look better for sure. Oh my garage, damn it, garage. Anyway, I'll keep doing what I'm doing. I'll try to get them down a little better. Like there's another one right here, this guy. Mostly my front ones are damaged, but rear ones are better. Well, I haven't opened them. Maybe the tire guys damaged them as well, because this one got damaged with the tire guys as well just now. Anyway, keep you posted. Keep watching. So what I've been doing now, I'm with the 320, I'm removing the sheen from the wheel. So you see this is done. This is what I'm hanging. So half of it is about done, and now all these ones gotta still be sanded down. Yeah, that should be enough for the paint to adhere. Yep, and this is how I'm doing it. Really not complicated. A few seconds on each spike. Anyway, keep doing that, show you the end result. Okay guys, so I've sanded down the top clear coat, so I just messed it up. Now there is no, that's the point of no return. Can't come back, can't put this wheel like that. You gotta refinish it now, and obviously now it's going to be black. Anyway, so look at the details. This thing will work out just fine. All the major dents I've had, I think it's gonna come up very well. So what I've done, I also sand it down a little bit on the inside, take the wheel out now, and then once I finish the other three, then I'll take them out, power wash them with this guy over there. That's the boy. Power wash them, soak them, clean them, dry them, and protect the edges and start painting. Stay tuned, still working on it. Number 3. Number 4. And it's the time to power wash. So time to have these babies, give them a little bath. I'm going to be washing them from the sanding material, from the grease, from anything that it has, to make them as perfect as possible. Just like that. So all the mess is gone. And they're kind of shiny now because they're wet, but I know they're not shiny. Now, there we go, it's drying and it becomes ugly again. And I'm gonna turn it over. Carefully. Okay. The inside. Yeah, I gotta scrub it with the sponge and soap probably, or change the head. Start with the head now. I need to put this more powerful head. This is it. This is a rotating head. Let's try it. Why that thing is just... The design is stupid. I gotta fix this leak. Continue. Yeah, I'm losing a lot of water here. Washing it with the power wash. You can see how messy these ones. And we need to be painted. This is as much as I could wash it. Next step is the soap. I'm going to use some soap, some cleaner, wheel rimmed cleaner, and then I'm gonna dry them out. So far, this is how messy I got. All the water from the power wash. I'm all wet. Luckily it's a good weather, as I said. It's like plus 12, plus 15 Celsius. Amazing weather. So keep you updated, keep watching. It's good. So now these guys are drying. There's still water sitting in here. Gotta flip them. Wipe them and take them to paint. I'm going to be painting them in the basement. It's gonna get raining soon, so I can't do that outside. Too dusty, it would get wet, and my garage is also not a good spot. But anyway, I'm gonna take them to the basement, wipe them, dry them with the fan, famous fan, and start painting. Keep watching.